Welcome to the HYDRORIDER assembly. For a safe and successful setup, it is best to have a flat, spacious surface so that you may have plenty of room to lay out parts and maneuver material. Open the box and remove all of the parts and material. A safety tip to avoid any unnecessary injuries: it is recommended to remove the staples from the box while unpacking your HYDRORIDER bike. The parts contained within the box consist of a handlebar, the handlebar support, one saddle, the saddle support, a set of two pedals labeled left and right, four pedal screws, the tools necessary to assemble the bike, there's also the bike frame, the front base, which is the one with the wheels, two screws, the rear base, and two screws. To assemble the bike, place the bike on a flat surface, take the handlebar support and insert it at the top of the frame by pulling on the pull knob and lowering the handlebar support. Be sure to tighten the pull knob once finished. Take the handlebars, grab the handlebar pull knob, and insert the handlebars onto the handlebar support. Be sure to tighten the pull knob. Take the bike and push it so that the handlebars are now on the floor. Take the saddle support and insert it onto the top of the frame by pulling the pull knob and lowering the support down. Tighten the pull knob once finished. Take the saddle, pull the saddle pull knob, and insert it into the saddle support. Once finished, please remember to tighten the pull knob. Next, take the rear base and remove the two screws provided. Once the screws are removed, you need to take the rear base and insert it into the bottom of the bike frame. The bases are adjustable for pull depth. Insert the screws and tighten with the tools provided. While tightening, the frame might flex inward. This is okay. Once finished with the rear base screws, simply lift the bike up and position it so that the rear base and the saddle are both on the floor. Now we can install the front base. Remember to remove the two screws provided. Once you have the screws removed, simply insert the front base with the wheels up into the bottom of the bike frame. Remember, this is also adjustable to fit the pool depth. Simply insert the screws and tighten with the tools provided. Again, it is okay if there is a flex in the frame while tightening the screws. Once finished tightening the front base, simply pick the bike up and place both the bases onto the floor. Now we are ready to install the pedals. There is one set of pedals provided. Each pedal is marked left and right, L indicating left and R indicating right. The pedals should be installed as if you are sitting on the bike. Take the left pedal and 2 pedal screws and screw the screws into the base of the bike. To tighten the screws, simply use the hex head wrench provided. Once finished with the left pedal, it is important that you push the pedal down. To assemble the right pedal, be sure to keep it in an upward direction, opposite of the pedal on the left. Install the 2 hex head screws and tighten with the hex head wrench provided. This concludes the assembly of your HYDRORIDER bike. To maneuver the bike, push down on the handlebars to engage the front wheels and simply roll towards the pool deck. To place the bike in the water, simply stand in front of the handlebars, push down to engage the wheels, and roll the bike to the edge of the pool deck. For safety, it is recommended that another person assist in lowering the bike into the pool. Be sure to bend your knees while lowering the bike. Once in the water, push the bike to the desired location. Remember, the ideal depth is 3.5 to 4.5 feet of water. For seat height adjustment, stand next to the bike. The seat can be adjusted by pulling the pull knob and pushing the seat down or up. Set the seat 2 inches below the hip bone or iliac crest. The seat can also be adjusted forward and backward by pulling the knob and pulling the seat forward or backwards. Sit on the bike and begin to pedal slowly and stop in the 6 and 12 o'clock position. The foot closest to the floor should be parallel to the ground, and there should be a slight flexion of the knee. Continue to pedal and stop at the 3 and 9 o'clock position. The front foot should have an imaginary line from the knee to the ankle. To adjust the handlebar height, simply pull the pull knob and you can push the bars down or pull them up. The bars should be set 2 inches above the seat. The bars should never be set below the seat. To adjust the front to back adjustment of the bars, simply pull the pull knob, pull the bars back, or push them forward. Place your arms on the bars. There should be a small flexation of the elbows and your lumbar spine should be comfortable. To adjust the hydro wheel resistance, simply get off the bike and locate the paddle pull knob. To adjust the resistance, pull the knob and adjust the paddle in or out according to the desired intensity of the workout. The resistance selection and the intensity of the workout should depend on the condition of the user. It is important to remember to wear shoes while riding the HYDRORIDER bike. Loosen the straps enough to accommodate the shoes. And then, when in the water, tighten the strap. This concludes the HYDRORIDER bike setup.